Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a spooktacular Halloween and that you're doing well. In today's video, I am so excited, you guys, because as you can see here, let me just put my tea down for a second. I have the e.l.f. Beads Halloween 2022 collection to share with all of you guys, and I have been so excited to see these beads. e.l.f. Beads and Beads Candy Shop were so kind and sent me these beads to review and style with for all of you guys. So a huge thank you to Mila and the e.l.f. Beads team, as well as each and every one of you guys, because I would never have these opportunities without each and every one of you, and it truly means the world. So thank you so much, and thank you, e.l.f. Beads. I've been so excited to see this collection in real life, and unfortunately this package arrived after I had left to do some traveling, and I'm just getting a chance to see it and style with it now, and I've been wanting to see this and design with it all month long. Teddy, if you guys follow her on Instagram, I'll leave a link to her Instagram down below. She's been doing some amazing designs with the e.l.f. Beads Halloween collection, and it has just made me so extra excited to see it. As you guys know, I love Halloween, but there's just something magical that e.l.f. Beads does on their designs for the holidays and everything, and you guys can see this is an amazing collection. So if you're ready to see a quick unboxing and an overview of this entire collection, without further ado, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea. And I am enjoying, you guys, of course on Halloween, I have to have pumpkin pie matcha from DAVIDsTEA. This is I'm already drinking. I don't know if you can see it. It's at the bottom. I've been drinking this all morning. I also had this amazing Hocus Pocus coffee from Joffrey's. It's Hocus Pocus themed. It is so delicious too. I highly recommend it. I actually just ran to go get it so I can show you guys. This is it. It is called the Hocus Pocus Sanderson Sisters Brew with cinnamon and caramel. It is so good. I found this, I believe, at Marshall's Canada or HomeSense Canada. I can't quite remember. I don't know if they'll still have any poking around. I'm usually not a big fan of apple flavored things like coffees, but this one, it's so good. Highly recommend it, even if it's after. I think it still works great for the autumn season if it's autumn where you guys are, and it was so good. But pumpkin pie matcha has also been my favorite, and I actually have it in my DAVIDsTEA Halloween mug. If you guys actually want to see the Halloween collection from DAVIDsTEA for this year, I do have a video that I filmed. I'll leave a link up above the screen right now on where you can find it. But anyway, you guys, a virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's video. So I'm actually filming this right on Halloween morning, you guys, so I'm just feeling all the Halloween spooky vibes. There's 26 beads that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. And let's get started with the flower twigs. So from left to right, we have fresh green Flowertwig Frost, icy blue, poison ivy, beige blue, pumpkin magic, Sakura night, sky, black currant, and radiant blue. And I love, love, love these flower twigs. The frosted details to them is so cool. My top favorite one out of all of these is pumpkin magic, which you're seeing on the screen right now. I mean, the orangey black, and what's cool is that there's different colors between them. So as you can see, the orange with the black, and then there's some other ones. They're just so cool. They're very different and unique. Up next is the Trick or Treat Halloween Deal Set from e.l.f. Beads. I love the colors of these. They're very autumnal, but I also feel that you can use these colors year round. I don't think they're strictly just for the autumn season, which makes it an extra great deal that you can get away with these colors year round. They're really cool. They're kind of this matte frosted glass. They're faceted and they're just so neat. Moving along are three other glass beads, which are called the Witch Magic Lotus. So from left, we have the green version, the purple version, and then the magenta fractal version, which is so cool. And these are neat. They kind of have this magic inside the core of them, and then you have this beautiful detailing going over. And then the magenta is so cool because you can see it's a fractal, so it has this beautiful extra shine to it, which makes it really fun. Up next, we have three other beautiful beads, and they're called the Blackberry Fresh Fractal, the Kiwi Fresh Fractal, and Mango Fresh Fractal. So that was from left to right. And these are really fun. I love that they're named after fruits, but how you can get more Halloween than the purple, the green, and the orange. I love them, and the texture inside is so cool too. It almost looks like it's swirling around, and then look at how much it catches the light and sparkles. So pretty. Now the last set is, oh my gosh, these are spooktacular. I am obsessed. Left to right, we have the Spooktacular Pumpkin Ghost, the Halloween Witchcraft Starlight. So cool. I love the witch's hat and then the spider going through and then the dotted detail. There's also the Spider's Ghost Dark Night, Trick or Treat, which is a little candy. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then we have a Spooktacular Ghost, which is so cool. And then you have the spider. Okay, now it is time to design with these beads, and I'm so excited, you guys. So I actually did film an Elf Beads Halloween bracelet video for you guys. I used different beads in my Elf Beads collection to create 2 Halloween themed bracelet looks. This is one of them, and I actually love how it turned out. If you guys do want to see that video, it's a get ready with me video. I'll leave a link up above the screen right now on where you can find it. But now it's time to design with the Halloween 2022 beads. So I have my Elf Beads chain bracelet, and then I grabbed a couple different beads in my collection, as well as my, I don't know if you guys will remember this, it's the Camila Ghost. It is super cute and spooktacular, and I love him. He's so adorable, so I think I might make him the center, and I'm just gonna play around with the glass beads, so I'll be right back, and we'll see what design I come up with. All right, so a quick design with me. I decided to challenge myself, and I wanted to do one side orange, the other side more of a purpley blue. Normally I like to mix and spread out the colors a little bit more, but I thought it'd be cool that if you look at the bracelet on one side, you see more of the orange, the other side's a little bit more purple. So I decided to challenge myself. I'm still very tempted to spread these colors out, but I wanted to do something unique and different that I hadn't done before. I love how this looks. I think it looks great with my spirit jersey. I love the colors. It even matches my DAVIDsTEA mug that I was wearing. And I also think like my little Camila Ghost, he matches my nails. So I'm rocking this for the rest of today. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's Elf Beads Halloween video. I hope you enjoyed seeing it and the different beads in this collection. I would love to know which ones are your favorite. Please let me know down below. I'd also love to know what you guys are getting up to for Halloween, if you are celebrating or taking part. Yesterday, I went to this really fun, what was it called? Pumpkins After Dark with my brother, and it was just so much fun. It was so magical. It was so cool. It was kind of like walking in a forest, and they had like all these like, I'll put some like displays up here so you guys can see like these pumpkins that they carved in these beautiful works of art. It was so fun. Today, I'm hoping to do some other Halloween activities with some friends, so we'll see if that works out. And then for the evening, I'm planning on just watching like all my favorite Halloween movies, which is like Hocus Pocus, Halloween Town, and maybe a scary movie. If Alice is going to protect me, Alice is my dog, if you guys didn't know. She actually has a matching spirit jersey to match, which I think will be really fun. Also, you guys, all the beads that I've shown, I'll have the names down below in the description bar of this video. I'll also have links. Some of the links in there will be affiliate links or commission links, which means I do earn a small percentage of the sale if you decide to purchase one of the items. A huge thank you in advance if you do use those links. It really does help me out a lot and means a lot. Anyway, happy Halloween. Have a wonderful rest of the day, you guys, and get ready for some Christmas holiday content coming out. You guys know me, I love my holidays, so I'm very excited. I got a bunch of ideas for upcoming content, so stay tuned for it. If you did like this video, feel free to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now, you guys, and take care.